Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video we were discussing about the process of wound healing. Now we will continue the previous topic. In the previous topic we were discussing about the lymphocytes. So macrophages represents antigens towards T lymphocytes, and macrophages also release some cytokines that result in the activation of T lymphocyte. So now we will move toward the granuloma inflammation. Okay, it is a type of chronic inflammation that is characterized by a collection of activated macrophages, often associated with T lymphocytes or sometimes central necrotic region. The site of granulomatous inflammation is known as granuloma formation. There are two types of granuloma formation. So it includes inert foreign body granuloma and immune mediated granuloma. Okay guys, just give me a second to note it down. Granuloma inflammation. Okay, so let's move. Immune mediated granuloma. It is a type of granuloma that occurs in response to persistent infection that will induce the immune response. Now we will move towards the morphology. Under H&E staining, the cell have pink cytoplasm with distinct boundary. So these cells shows resemblance to the epithelial cells. So that are called epithelial cells. When these cells fuse with each other, results in the formation of giant cells. In the older granuloma, there is a ring of fibroblast or connective tissue around the macrophages. Now we will move towards a new topic called neoplasia. It is basically composed of two different words. Neo means new and plasia means growth, or you can say proliferation. Okay. So, neoplasia is defined as abnormal mass of tissue, the growth of which is excessive and is not coordinated with growth of normal tissue and persists in continuous proliferation even the stimuli is removed. Neoplasm is the uncontrolled and uncoordinated mass of tissue. There are some limitations of this definition. For example, the neoplastic cell continue to proliferate even the stimuli is removed, but in this case of neoplasm, which regress in size after the removal of stimuli. Such type of neoplasia is called hormonal dependent neoplasia. There are some difference between neoplasia and hyperplasia. In hyperplasia, cellular proliferation is under the control and coordinated manner, whereas in neoplasia, the cellular proliferation is as uncontrolled and uncoordinated manner. In hyperplasia, the proliferating cells stop proliferation after the removal of stimuli, but in neoplasia, the cell continue to proliferate after the removal of stimuli. So hyperplastic cells are well differentiated cells that shows resemblance to normal cells, like neoplastic cells have a lack as differentiated. Now we will move towards the composition of tumor. So basically it is composed of two different parts. The first one part is known as parenchyma and the second part is known as stroma. Now we will move towards their explanation. So parenchyma is the neoplastic cells, whereas stroma is the supporting cells like blood vessels or connective tissue. It provides nourishment for the growth of tumor, whereas parenchyma describes behavior and consequence of tumors. Okay, I think it's enough for today's video. In the next video, we will discuss the types of tumors, which are benign tumor and malignant tumor. Okay guys, I think this is enough for today's video. I hope this video will be informative for you. Please like, comment and share this video with your family members as well as friends, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.